Hey guys, TD Toy Customs here. Today we're going to be taking a look at my custom shaded graded Vegeta. I have this Vegeta right here. It's custom but like not fully finished. I should have probably not custom him yet. I should have probably done this review first so you guys can see how it was before fully. But pretty much he just didn't have these things right here, so pretend that that shit isn't there. But yeah, I mainly have this Vegeta right here so you can see how it sort of was before. Except I painted in scratch marks and the panel lining, things like that. But yeah. So this is how it was. Or I mean, this is how it was. And this is how it is now after I pimped it out. I think it looks pretty badass, in my opinion. You can see I shaded the face, shaded everything in my own art style, which I think turned out pretty good. Gave it some tints of brighter blue, which is 3-layer shading. Added the 3-layer shading is I'm not sure if it's made up or not, because I just randomly came up with the name and just started calling this type of shading 3-layer shading because that's what it is. So I added blue highlights right there, and darker, and then before the thing, it was before the bright blue, it was just the normal plastic. Then I added some white, and then I went in with this so it could like be a little bit brighter, you know. So it's 3-layer shading. But yeah, I think it turned out pretty cool. So I'm gonna give you a quick look over everything. Then we'll take a look at the accessories and stuff like that I shaded. I think it turned out pretty sick. I did not know how to shade the hair, so I just decided to add random brown spots. Not sure how I feel like it, but I like it more than I dislike it, so I think it looks pretty cool. Yeah, everything here is made by me. I even shaded the ears, as you can see. This one is not shaded. This one it is. I even shaded the tongue, but like it's not that noticeable. Yeah, you can't really tell because the light, because of this right here, just looks like a shadow. I even shaded the chest right there. See, filled in every single scratch mark I was able to see. There's a lot of scratch marks, so I'm pretty sure I left out some scratch marks, but like shouldn't be that big a deal. Try to fill in as much as I could see, but just so much it's hard to tell which one isn't filled stuff. But yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. Let me turn it in the back real quick. It's a big figure. Alright, that's how it is. Let me turn this one back real quick so you can see how it looks like, or used to look like. Keep on falling. That's how it used to look like, except that, like I said, I did the scratch marks and the panel lining right there. This one's still not finished, by the way. I'm gonna make it look like that one, but like better, you know. As you can see, this is where the highlight really pop out on his ass. I don't know why, but it just does. I think I added too much white as a base layer right there, but I'm not complaining. I think it looks pretty good. See, filled in scratch marks, everything. Try to make him look as beat up as possible. I think it turned out pretty good. I think that's it. You can turn him around real quick. Such a big figure, so I can't like get in my normal review setup, and I have to record this with one hand. Just ignore him, he's just leaning over, and I can't really fix it because he's holding my phone with the other hand. Let me show you guys the hands real quick. I added details on this Goku. See, I made him all beat up. The turned out pretty good. Even added shading. Even on the hands, as you can see. I even added blood on the tail. Then I shaded this face as well. Then I shaded this hand as well. Shaded all the hands, shaded everything. Except Yajirobe, I haven't shaded him. He's normal, so I can show you how it looks like because nothing's different. But yeah, I think it looks really good. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Sorry if this review is pretty shit. It's because it's such a big figure. I can't really, like, you know, make a high quality video. So I don't have a big enough space and I don't have a good tripod. But yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in my next review. So long.